Buddy.
Is it recording?
I see a red light. Does that mean it's recording? Yeah.
Parallel. Bring it up, two. Come on, two. So let's tell you what. Let's make this a really great day of racing. So what that means is that when you come up to the start line, you do not go to the Cambie Bridge. You do not even get close to it. You turn and you get into your lane. You've got lots of time to warm up as you get down to the start line, but please do not go there. We are already behind. So please do me a favor and come up to the staging marker, which is where you are right now, and you're looking amazing. So let's have a great day of racing. Madam Starter, you have this race.
One stroke. Ready, all go through.
Here we go, everybody.
Hold.
Slowly in together.
Release. Ready, all. Take it away. Go. Right.
Crisper off the story.
Focus in on the start.
Great work for that aggressive. Keep coming, 7, and thank you, 5. Let us give it one good stroke and let it run. Slow your boat forward, drag your blade, and release. Thank you.
Release.
Let it run, 8. Hold 8, please. Hold 6.
Race ready.
Come on up, 2 and 3. Hold 5. 4, bring it up, hold 1 hard. Sorry, hold 1 hold.
Right. One hit.
5, give me a seat up. 4, I need at least 2 seats up.
How does that from the race?
Hold 1, you're gonna have to back it down a 10. 4, hold. 3, hold.
Race ready.
Take it back a little bit, boat 1, please. Just take it back nice and easy. 6, give me a seat up. 5, give me a seat up, and 2, hold there, 1, good job, hold 1. 2, give me a seat up. Everybody else hold, quickly 2. All boats hold, are you ready? Attention.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ready and reach now! Ready and anchor now! Stay low, 0! Stay low! All the way! Hips now! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Don't rush!
Bodies down! Keep it low! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finish! Stop it! Get deep! Keep your bodies low! Stop it! Come on!
The run!
Let it run.